Uh, Hello, my name is Pravalika Gandham. So today we are going to do the presentation in the module Global Operations. We have four members in our group, including me, Danush, Kaushik, Yoganesh. So we have chosen the company British Airways. So first slide is about introduction. So globalization has strongly influenced service organizations to adopt lean practices to remain efficient and competitive. Reflecting on the global company, British Airways and its global scale, the adoption of lean principles helps British Airways to enhance operational exchange. The presentation will explore the ways in which British Airways utilizes lean principles, including its benefits and challenges. It will further present strategic approaches for the successful implementation of lean process. So next slide is about understanding lean production. So lean production was introduced by the Toyota production system, which aims to build more value for customers with limited sources and eliminate waste. Lean process is initially designed for improvement in manufacturing, but its principles are capable widely to the service industries like aviation. Lean process benefits include enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing costs. So, third slide is about historical perspective of lean. So, in the 1950s, lean production was introduced by Toyota production system with efforts to improve the efficiency of the manufacturing process. The increasing globalization and rising technical advancement in industries principles have improved efficiency in manufacturing, including in services like healthcare, retail, and others. The shift also allowed global businesses to respond to market demands faster and reduce inefficiencies to improve overall services quality. So the next slides will be explained by my friend Danush.
Yeah, thank you, Pravalika. Myself, I am Dhanush. I may explain about the principles of lean production in the service. The major principles of lean production in service is the major is five major principles of lean production in service includes the evaluation of value, and the mapping the value stream, and the ensuring the flow, and the producing the perceptions, and establishing the full in the actually the major principles in the airline industry is the principles of lean management optimize the operations like baggage handling and check-in and boarding. The lean benefits enhancing the service to the customers. It's the very quality, reducing the customer's delay and the minimizing the waste of time. That is ultimately improves the customer's satisfaction, the loyalty, and the by enhancing the operational efficiency of the using by the lean principles of production in the service. And the next one is the overview of British Airways, uh, the global airlines company. That is the British Airways, founded in the year of since 1974 in the headquarters located in the London, England. The airline company operates a large flight across the six continents and overall the world 180 destinations globally. And the company British Airlines emphasizes the excellent customer service, satisfaction, the operational efficiency to maintain the competitiveness to the other airlines, meeting the evaluating evaluating the customers' expectations and what the customers actually wanted the quality and the comfortness and reduce the cost of operations and especially the managing the international traveling service all over through. And the next one is the drivers for a lean adoption at the British Airways. This is the key. drivers of lean adoption in the aviation industries, including the rising fuel costs. The British Airways faces increasing market competitions that highlights the need of efficient strategies and the practice to the boost productivity through the lean production. The customers of the BA, that is the demand of tech enabled quick and high quality of service that is easily give to the customers that require the process optimizations. In addition, they will rise of the digital tools of the environmental regulations and has the improved by the process of the lean adaptations to the create the more efficient sustainability and the customer oriented options whatever the customer suggestions the practices is the across they will do the different touch points to the customers this is the, all over the drivers of the lean adaptation at the British Airways. And the next one is the key lean practices implemented. That is the JIT. That is the just time in. That in British Airways they implemented a lean process to automate the check-in process through the mobile application, which is called the nowadays called the digital and AI, and the simplify the it is helpful to the simplify the baggage handling and the checking and check out of process and the boarding systems to reduce the waiting times to the customers and the inquiry as well as the inquiries. And BA officers cross training to the staffs that helps in with quick role adjustments during the busy schedules of the busy times of the flights and more their departures and arrivals to improve the flow of service and the integrations of the just-in-time that is JIT approach the ensure minimizing waste and timely resources allocated and supports in flight and the ground operations across the global locations. This is the key lean practice implemented in the British Airways. Thank you for that. Next, my friend will be continue.
Hello, myself Ivanesh. I'm going to explain the impact on operational efficiency. Lean practice at the British Airways have significantly improved the service efficiently by the reducing waste turnaround times and maximizing aircraft using with the directly limits delays. Cost saving can be achieved with the lean process by the cutting unnecessary materials and process um, and efficiently staff development contribute to the more relatable and smoother customer journey with the timely flight optimizers. Coming to next point, impact on environmental sustainability. Implications of the lean process at the British Airlines emphasize sustainability goals that optimize the flight schedule and the routes and minimize fuel consumption and the carbon footprint. The shift of the digitalizations of improving the economic documentations or the digital boarding pass significantly limits paper waste and addition waste, reducing in the ground and studying the service benefits BA with the battery inventory control and the recycling process that improve the optimizations of the responsibility to maintain global environmental standards. Coming to next point, challenges faced in the lean implementation. British Airways has faced the barriers associated with the union conventory assumes the employees due to increase the workload and fear of the job loss. Union negotiators as also complicate to the process of the learning transmissions at the BA in the additional tools efficiently. Those factors slows down the program that requires the strategic planning of change management with the gradle technical undergrades and the stockholders communication to support the estimate and the successful lean implementation. And coming to next point, influence of the globalization on learning in British Airways. Globalization is the one of the major reasons began the implementations of the lean process of the British Airways to remaining the competitors on the lane for the global airlines like Singapore Airlines and Emirates. The competitors of the British Airways adapt to the best practice to the customer service efficiently and sustainability with the process of BA to invest in the lean inventories while considering the culture different in the international platform business leads requiring the flexibility in the implementation of the lean process for the future programs. Our next point will teach the Mr. Venkata Kalpati.
Thank you, Ganesh. Mitigation of lean implementation issues. Reflecting strategies to mitigate lean implementation issues, British Airways must adopt structure change management strategies to control employee resistance. Pilot programs will allow BA to make adjustment in the process of collecting feedback. In addition, enhancing data analytics capabilities and modernizing IT infrastructure is essential to support automation, improving real-time decision making, and performance tracking for sustainable business growth. There are few recommendations. It is recommended that British Airways utilize predictive analytics and AI tools to optimize staffing, scheduling, and service forecasting. The integration of lean process is high impact areas like baggage claims, customer service, and in-flight operations will improve value. And coming back to the conclusion from the British Airways utilizes the lean process with the influence of innovation and globalization that transformed services delivery. Digital check-ins and bagging handling and other have successfully been managed with lean adoption. That has enhanced efficiency, it will help to improve customer satisfaction and reduced waste. Thank you.